Okay, he wants me to film all this for some reason. Alright, I'm hooking up the starter cable here. I went and got the new bolts to go in the back. So this was the good bolt, and if you look at the head you can see it's already all rounded off in there. So it's already half rounded off because some dumbass didn't put the Allen wrench in there correctly.
Hey Tatro, I need this little hose that goes in here too.
What hose?
The little hose that goes in this hole.
Oh, I don't have it.
Yeah, you did. You pulled it off.
I didn't pull it off.
Here, go right here.
I don't know anything about it.
See this?
Well, there, put it on.
Okay, but yeah, but something got to be done to it because it don't just stay in the hole no more.
That's probably why it fell off.
No, I took it off, but...
So anyway, this one's all screwed up, so I got 2 new Allens here to use. We're not going to use that piece of junk. What do you got over here? Okay, well, it's broken, and they had a zip tie on it or something. No, that's not a zip tie. I don't know what the hell that's.
That's just where it popped in at, but the end of it is broke.
This is not even a regular full hose. This is custom-made shit here.
No, because there's another one on there somewhere just like it.
On what?
There's another one of them hoses back there somewhere.
Where's it go?
Either on the starter somewhere, but it's another one on there just like it, another little short one. It's back there somewhere because I've seen it.
I don't know what the hell this shit is.
Some kind of breather or something.
Some kind of vent.
It's a breather or something, Tatro. It's a breather for this hole right here. See this hole?
I don't see a hole. Where's the hole at?
Right here, right
a hole
there.
in there, okay. Well, it's broken. You need a new one. See how the hose is all broken?
You got any?
No, I don't have any of this crap. I'm gonna work on this shit. That's not gonna ever stay put. And it's broken. You have to buy a new one. Have to go down to the dealer and pay 20 bucks for one. And wait 3 weeks for it to come in.
Wow.
And find out it's obsolete or back ordered. All right, I'm gonna get back to work now. You okay with that?
Yep.
I'm gonna work all night on this thing. It's supposed to be resting, not working my ass off.
Don't worry about it, man. I got you. I'm one of the few that knows if I got money in my pocket, I'm gonna give it to you, bro.
All right.
Appreciate what you do to me.
Tighten that down here.
Do for me.
So we're fixing all these problems that can fix. Tight.
Tatro, why don't you put one of them other starters you got on there? How much is that?
These ones work good, leave them alone.
All right.
This goes back in here.
That plug,
That sits in there.
make sure that plug is out so we don't put it up under there.
Alright, so now the primary should be able to go on.
Hold up that plug, Tatro. You got that plug up under there. Okay, I got it.
It's laying right there. I don't know where it's at.
Oh, no, it's not. It's up under there. You gotta lift that starter up.
It's going to get lifted up and I put it in.
It's sitting completely on the wire. You gotta lift it up some more.
It's right there. I don't know what you're calling it.
It's right where? That's not it. It's up under the machine somewhere. It's under there somewhere. Let me see.
It's laying right there.
It's right here. Hold up. Here it is. Right here. I got it. So go ahead. You can put it in.
No, I gotta pull this stupid damn piece of crap out of the way that's broken.
Yeah.
Leave it laying there, we'll deal with it later.
I am.
After we get the primary cover on, then we insert it into the tool. Okay, this is all ready to go back together. Looks like there's 2 dowel pins on the starter. So you're missing a dowel pin on your starter too.
From the where? No, one of them is inside of here. The one from back there is inside of here.
Well, it takes 2 dowel pins.
So there's one in here, right here. Or was one. There's one. And the other one.
Well, this one's in the primary. It's all.
I bet you it's in the
damaged.
sink. If you put this in the sink, I bet you it's in that sink. Oh, there's two.
I didn't clean anything.
This one right here.
Yeah, well, that's going to go in there for now.
Flip it over to go right in.
Well, this is the other one, so this came from the other side, but it's going to go on this side. So just put the dowel pin in the hole here. So we got 2 dowel pins for the starter. That aligns it. So we got a dowel pin down here for this. There's another one right here for that. So you got 2 more here. You got dowel pins all over the place.
Is that good or bad?
It's good for alignment, I guess. If you know how to use them. Not too many people use this stuff.
Slipped out. There's a gasket on.
I know. See it?
Get the tag on the bottom.
You still don't want to go over the hole here.
You want me to lift the starter up? Go over there and lift the starter up until you get it on?
No, it's not going on the primary hole.
The starter is in the way.
I'm on the primary. I'm on the seal or something over here.
Turn the
There it goes. Stuff in the race down there. I knew that.
Oh, hold up. Look.
You don't hold on to that one. Put it in there already.
I didn't know.
That was your job. I got to pull all back off again. Shit, you only have one thing to do and you didn't do it. Make sure my valves are still in there. Yep. Okay, I got to reverse all this again. See our gasket's still in there. Yep. No, let go. Don't force it, just kind of wiggle around until it pops on the sleeve.
Okay.
Okay, I think it's all the way down. We're going to put these bolts up in there to
Okay,
make sure.
now, can you look at one of those bolts and see if I need to buy new ones?
You need to buy new ones for
They
it.
say every time you twist them off, you gotta put new ones in.
Yeah, fuck Harley. It's only $8 a piece. How many you want to buy?
No, they $5 at the home, honey.
Cheaper.
Shit, put new ones in there, Tatro. I'll bring you the money in the morning, man.
Okay, you got the new ones? I don't have them.
Oh, but no, they don't.
Look at me, I don't have parts for this stupid bike. You almost think like I care about this piece of crap. I'm not going to use a zip gun now, I'll probably strip some. We'll do it the old-fashioned way. We're going to tighten up with a ratchet. Make sure the ratchet's an extension. There's my mini. Alright. Make sure it pulls uneven. Right to the back. Make sure it goes uneven too. Everything seems to be fitting square. Yep, that looks good. What's the factory torque?
I think,
About that much.
about 25 pounds.
About that much. Yep, I think that's the number. So you pull on it, you feel it start to stretch a little bit, you quit. That one's getting a little soft up in there. torque, but it's not going to be happy. So that'll be the next one to strip out.
Which one?
This one.
Which one? The inner broke?
Yeah, the one up there.
Why?
Felt soft.
That's because of that's because of that O-ring that's in it was mushy. They got O-rings on the inside of it.
Something was giving, so
Yeah, that's that O-ring.
it felt soft, so I quit torquing. If I keep torquing, I'll just spin it off. So it's got
You'll
about,
bust the gas.
so it's got like probably 15 on it instead of 20, 25. All right, so all that's in there. Make sure the tranny rotates freely after you do all that stuff. We're good. Okay, now I get the starter in. I'm gonna reach over there, push it in. The dowel pins line it all up, and also the big hole there. Put our bolts in here. Got about a 1/2 inch of thread on these. That should be enough. And the top one's going to be the fun one to get over in there.
Want me to put it in from the other side?
Why? I didn't do my own work. Okay, so where's my tool at? Okay, I got my long Allen with the ball driver on the end of it for misalignment. But you got to be careful about torquing these because there's very little actual holding power with these, so you can strip them pretty easy.
What size is it?
Whatever this is. And this is the straight one you use on the straight one you get to. Okay, so we go on the other side and torque them in with this. You can go on that side of the bike over there now. See, after I put the starter in, you can actually take it back out again. After you torque them both in lightly, come back and torque the snot out of the brass on. You can't see in there. Alright, torque it. Switch to my other bit so I can torque it better. It's tight. Where's that stupid rubber hose at?
Right here.
Yeah. Hook up this wire. Okay, wire's hooked up. It just lays in there like that. Rotate it down and it stays there. It's probably going to fall out, but you're going to have to get a new one.
No, it don't never fall out.
Not much holding in there anymore, so. Alright, starter's in. Primary's on it.
Now listen, Tatro. Do this motherfucker take 2 quarts of oil?
You put it in oil until it hits the bottom of the clutch basket, whatever that is.
Mikey puts 1.5 quarts.
Okay, I'm going to clean my hands up. We'll be right back.
Mikey puts